something you never leave from without, like your Bible logbook and you're driving around your best Dale watching on CDs. I'm a diesel driving daddy, don't you get in my lane, put the pedal to the middle, bring in 18 wheels of paint, I've been in love. Broke some hearts, settle down long enough to replace some parts, pick a little asphalt along the way.
There's a long life living on the road. The only thing you got is radio. Even he plays in and out every now and then. But maybe someday you find the right one. 50 years, but the right shotgun knows how to get that big old rig to spin.
I'm a diesel driving daddy, don't you get in my lane, put the pedal to the middle, bring in 18 wheels of paint, I've been in love. Broke some hearts, settle down long enough to replace some parts, picked a little asphalt along the way. Our truck style. I just got them 4 lanes of hard Amarillo highway. 'Cause I'm a diesel driving daddy, don't you get in my lane, put the pedal to the metal, bring in 18 wheels of paint, I've been in love. Broke some hearts, settled down long enough to replace the parts, kicked a little asphalt along the way.